Service in Oxnard has issued a tornado warning for
Tornado warning!
Ventura County
What?
In Southwestern California, Southwestern Los Angeles County in Southwestern California, until 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Point Mugu State Park, or 10 miles south of Camarillo, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour.
Holy
Hazard,
crap.
tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, expects damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near western Malibu around 8:25 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Dewberry Park around 8:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Naval Base Ventura County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.